Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk through activity 4, activity 5 for this week's learning on money, and we're going to do some addition. So for activity number 4, you'll notice that you've got some purses or wallets with some money in one and some missing money in another. Maybe one of those cheeky pirates has taken it. You can see at the end that we want to make the total 10 pence, okay? In the middle, you can see this sign here, which means that's right, it's our add sign. We want to add the two purses or wallets together to make the total 10. Okay. Now, first of all, we need to know how many is in the first wallet or purse all together, don't we? So first, we need to count the pennies that are in here very carefully. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 7 coins in the first purse. I'm going to just jot number 7 down in there so I don't forget. So now I know I've got 7. I want to work out how many more do I need to get to 10 at the end. Now, like we've practiced before, you might want to use some objects from around the house. I've picked some real coins here to work out my answer. You might want to use Numicon, or you could use a number line. So I'm going to show you all 3 and you can choose the best one to suit you. So for my first one, I know I've got 7 pence already in this purse, but I want 10. I've counted out 10 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I already know I've got 7 in here. So I'm going to move those 7 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many were left here to go in this purse? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3. So my missing number here was 3 to make the total 10. Okay, I can write my number 3 in here, or you could draw 3 coins. 7 add 3 equals 10. Now, you might also want to do it using the Numicon. So we know we had our missing number here. We didn't know how many was in there, but we know we've got 7 to start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my 7 on top of my Numicon 10 because that's what we want to make. Can you see here? Shape and the 3 holes means that our missing number was 3. Okay, so you could do it that way with your Numicon. 10 is what we want to find. We've already got 7. 3 is how many we want to add. Okay, and the final way is using your number line. So you could say that we start on 7. So find 7 on your number line. There it is. We want to count up to get 10. How many do we need to get 10? Well, here's 10. Let's count the jump. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It was 3 jumps to get 10. So we know that 3 is our missing number. Or you could have started from 10 and jumped back to get to 7 to see how many it was. There's different ways in which you can work out your answers. Use the best one for you and put your answer in the missing purse or wallet there. See how many pennies the pirates have stolen. Now, moving on to activity number 5. This is a little bit trickier by the end of the week. You have been given some treasure chests, and there are some coins inside your treasure chest. But there should be 10. There should be 10 coins, but those cheeky pirates have been stealing some of them again. We want to know how many is missing. And then I want you to write down the number sentence to show that as an addition when we get the coins back and a subtraction when the pirate's taken them. So for the first one here, just like we did in activity 4, we first of all need to know how many coins are already in the treasure chest. So let's count them. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 in my treasure chest already. I want to have 10 coins. There should be 10 coins. I need to work out what number goes with 5 to make 10. You might already know this, and if you do, you can write your answers in straight away. If not, Don't worry, you can use practical objects again like we've been doing. So we might use 5 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to get 10. So how many more to get 10? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many more did I add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I knew it was 5 and another 5 totaled 10 altogether. I can write that as an addition sentence. So I started with 5 in my treasure chest. I needed another 5 to get to my total, which was, that's right, 10. You might want to do it on your number line. So we know we want 10. We've already got 5 in our treasure chest. Let's count the jumps and check it with 5. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was. So we know that 5 add 5 equals 10. I also now want you to show me when the pirate came to the treasure chest and took some of those coins away, what the subtraction looked like. So to begin with, there should have been 10 coins in my treasure chest. So I'm going to put my 10 first for a takeaway because the biggest number goes first when we're subtracting. You can see I've got the subtraction sign here. And then I want to put in how many did the pirate take away to leave me with 5. Well, we've worked out already if we know 5 add 5 is 10, and 10 take away 5 would leave us with how many left in our treasure chest? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. You can double check that by counting your objects again. Get 10 objects, take 5 away, and see how many were left. You should have 5. Or start with 10 on your number line, count back 5, and land on 5. A little bit trickier today. Have a go. Your grown-ups can help you. If you want a real challenge, there are actually 4 different ways that you could make most of your subtraction and additions to 10. So see if you can do that if you manage okay with activity number 5. Have lots of fun pretending to be pirates, and I'll see you all again soon.